Press the front cover button. To pull out the cartridge, grab and press the button. You can see the cleaning roller hole inside. Align the cleaning roller with its hole and push it down until it clicks. Lower cleaning roller hole is located right under the upper one. Align the cleaning roller with its hole and push it up until it clicks. Cartridge guide indicates correct core position. Place cores according to guide color inside. Mind the green RF tag when you place the white core. Cartridge guide indicates correct core position. Mind the green RF tag inside when you place the white core and push it down until it clicks. Load the film tight into the cartridge. You can see correct cartridge color inside. Push the cartridge in until it clicks.